Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The 2026 Prevost Liberty Motorhome is expected to be the pinnacle of custom luxury and engineering prowess in the recreational vehicle market. The 2026 Liberty promises an unmatched travel experience marked by luxury, technical innovation, and fine craftsmanship. It is built upon the sturdy and elegant Prevost chassis, which is well known for its longevity and smooth ride. The 2026 Prevost Liberty Motorhome's appearance is anticipated to radiate a feeling of subdued elegance and strong presence. Aerodynamic principles and classic style cues will be seamlessly integrated. However, exact aesthetic nuances are dependent to the unique nature of Liberty Coach's products. Its visual appeal will probably be defined by high-gloss, multi-layered paint treatments, carefully planned lighting, and well-integrated outdoor amenities. Power awnings, hidden service bays, and plenty of storage options will all work together to provide a seamless visual appeal. A powertrain designed for dependability and performance sits beneath the finely detailed bodywork. The 2026 Liberty will probably have a strong and effective diesel engine that produces enough torque for smooth traveling and handling a variety of terrains, utilizing Prevost's cutting-edge chassis technology. Both the driver and guests will experience a ride quality that surpasses that of traditional RVs thanks to an innovative suspension system and cutting-edge brake technology. The 2026 Prevost Liberty Motorhome's interior will surely be a haven of custom luxury. The living areas will be tailored to the exacting tastes of its owners using the best materials available worldwide, such as luxurious hardwoods, soft leathers, and high-end textiles. Modern technology, including sophisticated entertainment systems, all-inclusive climate management, and user-friendly smart home automation, will be effortlessly incorporated throughout. The residential atmosphere will be further enhanced with gourmet kitchens, opulently furnished bathrooms, and incredibly cozy sleeping accommodations, guaranteeing that every trip is taken in unmatched comfort and style. The 2026 Prevost Liberty Motorhome serves customers who expect the highest level of individualized luxury and unwavering excellence. Every coach is frequently a one-of-a-kind design that reflects the owner's particular tastes and way of life. The Prevost Liberty is transformed into a mobile masterpiece by the level of personalization, the high caliber of materials, and the attention to detail. Possessing such a car shows that one values life's little pleasures and wants to travel the world without compromising comfort or style. It is anticipated that the 2026 version will expand on this tradition and push the limits of what is conceivable for a luxury camper.